Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. To do that, open your Instagram application. Then in here, tap your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen and tap your activity. Scroll down until you see download your information and make a request to download your information so that your deleted chats on Instagram may recover. It's a 50-50 chance to recover your files, but it can help you to recover deleted chats when it comes to Instagram. You can also check your archive chats. Instagram has a archive feature that allows you to hide chats without permanently deleting them. To access archive chats, just open your Instagram and on the three lines, select archive from the menu. You can also contact the recipient. If you deleted the chat but the recipient still has the conversation, you can ask them to send you the message or screenshot of the conversation. Also, check your device backups. If you regularly backup your device, there may be a chance to recover deleted Instagram chats through device backups. So that's how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!